Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have ether, one side you have allyl, another side you have carbonyl with azo compound. You are using rhodium catalyst. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the answer lies in the carbene formation. You have nitrogen as a very good leaving group. So what really happened? So it's near to carbonyl. So you have carbene formation. Carbene is a very unstable system. So what really happened? The carbene just ring closer. So charge transfer. You have diion formation. One is cation, one is anion. The anion has to be quenched. So what really happened? You have kind of sigmatropic rearrangement. So you have rearranged final product with side chain allyl. The concept you have to learn here is carbene formation. Whenever you have carbonyl and nitrogen, you might imagine the carbene formation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.